A lot of y'all know me from the portable monitor video, but today we gonna upgrade our monitor. I just ordered me a LG UltraGear 27GL83A. Stay tuned, we about to unbox and get this thing set up. Alright, so when I first opened up the box, I was a little overwhelmed because I've never opened up a monitor with this many features before. So the first thing that I came across was an AC power adapter. The next thing that I came across was an HDMI cord. Next is the display cord. And then the manual. I did not expect them papers to fall out. Next was the stand. The stand has two pieces to it. One is the base stand. And the next is the one that connects the base stand with the monitor. It kind of reminds me of a shotgun, so you know. And what we all been waiting for. The monitor itself, the LG UltraGear 27GL83A. This thing is a beast. So right beneath it is the menu button, which controls the volume and all the settings. And behind it is the two HDMI ports, the display port, the headphone jack, and the power adapter port. The monitor weighs about 9.26 pounds. This thing feels very valuable. I didn't realize this was in a box too, but yeah, it comes with this. I don't know exactly what this is yet, but I'm sure some of y'all might know. But yeah, let's get to this setup, man. Alright, of course I done seen plenty of reviews of this thing before I got it, because I gotta make sure what I'm getting is good, you feel me? But anyways though, I know they say it comes with a tool. I didn't find a tool. Not saying it's not in the box, but I didn't find a tool yet. So I'm going ahead and use this hammer. My bad, not this hammer. This flathead. Because most people say that this is better anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this. So come on, set it up with me. So the setup process isn't that hard at all. All you're doing is attaching the first part of the stand to the other part of the stand and then screwing it in with a flathead screwdriver. Make sure it's sturdy. And then just snap it onto the back of the monitor itself. Very simple process. Voila. We finally set up the, let me bring it close. Finally set up this bad boy right here. It's beautiful, man. I can't wait to actually cut it on though. The camera can't pick up the whole damn thing. I have a little temporary setup that I'm gonna actually have this monitor until I find a better spot. So let's go over there. Alright, this, as you can see here, is my little setup, my little temporary setup or whatever. Alright, I didn't set it up yet, but man, this thing is beautiful, man. I can't wait to actually cut it off. So what I want to show y'all real quick is how high the monitor could go and how low it could go. So let me angle the camera a little bit more over here. There we go. Alright. So boom. That's how low it goes. This is how high it goes. I wish I had a damn tape measure to actually show y'all, but I can't really show y'all. But look, this is my cell phone. This is a S. I forgot what damn Samsung phone I got. This is a S23. It's about, I forgot the inches, but if you have an S23, you know what I'm talking about. That's the height right there. Doesn't even touch it. Alright, let me see if I can get something a little bit better. Alright, this is a PS5 controller. Alright, so that should give you an idea right there about how high it actually stands in between the PS5 controller, vertical, and the monitor. Got a lot of gap in between. So yeah, let me get this thing cut on for y'all and we'll go from there.
3 weeks later.
Alright, man, so I've had this monitor for about roughly 3 weeks now. And man, to make a long story short, I love it, man. It's 27 inches. That's more than enough size that I thought it was gonna be. Like, I didn't realize how big 27 inches was, but it's it's past my expectations, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm loving the refresh rate. It's 144. Even though I can't tell a difference past 120, you know, it's still nice to have. But the one thing I had an issue with when I was first setting up this monitor is I couldn't get it to hit 144. It will only go up to 75 hertz. So I did some research online or whatever, and I actually found a solution to that. So what you pretty much got to do is go into AMD and set a custom resolution and refresh rate, and they'll unlock the 144 hertz for you. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all that though. But yeah, so if you love the portable monitor, you're gonna definitely love this monitor, because it is an upgrade. It's bigger and it's a little bit more sharper and stuff like that. But yeah, before I end this video, let me go ahead and show y'all how to set the custom refresh rate for this monitor, man, so y'all could be on 144 instead of 75 hertz. All right, so normally when you right click it, go into display settings and select monitor 2 or display 2, because that would be the LG UltraGear. And then you scroll down here, you know, you set it to 2560 1440, and then go to advanced display. It shows 144 now because I already did it, but when I first did it, it only went up to 75 hertz. So what I had to do pretty much, come down to the right bottom corner, go into the AMD software, gaming, and then display, scroll down and go into custom resolution. That's where you'll find the custom resolution. So I have it now, but what you'll have to do is create new, type in the resolution that you want to go for, and then type in the refresh rate right here. And you can use this refresh rate on anything except 4K. So it doesn't have to be 2560 by 1440. It could be 1080 or whatever. So yeah, this would be a refresh rate. You want to go for 144 because that's what the monitor is, 144. And that's literally it. You just hit create. I'm not going to create because I've already done it. So that's that. Now when you go back into the display, you can select 144. So go on to system, display, advanced display, and select 144 as a refresh rate. And that's how you would do it, man. And that's pretty much it, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe. Appreciate y'all.